when it comes to measuring the level that employees have bought into the mission or the vision and how much it aligns with their personal values, for example, how do you do that?
So I appreciate the question. And in my book, The Art of Alignment, this whole idea of measuring something that has historically been kind of that soft sort of skill set.
Yeah.
So how do you go about measuring, things like creativity, right? And so you've got to make sure that you're asking the right questions, because creativity is the leading indicator of innovation. So the degree to which we have creative thoughts and the degree to which we can imbue those thoughts in our organization, we really begin to drive this concept of innovation. And in that, not only do we come up with new products, we come up with new procedures and practices and ways of doing things. We become more efficient as an organization. We drive costs down. We drive opportunities up. But a lot of this that's required in that is to get everybody on board and on the same page. And that means your marginalized groups within your organization, have they bought in? Have we leveraged their thoughts, opinions, and made them feel included in our discussions? And the degree to which we as leaders are effective at that, in other words, getting all oars to hit the water at the same time, that propels us to go much faster. It's so funny. I spoke with the crew coach at the University of Minnesota, Wendy Davis. This maybe took place 7-8 years ago. And I asked her, I said, Wendy, how important is alignment to what it is you do? And she said, Art, it is everything. Let me put it to you like this. If one oar is off by 3/100ths of a second, for us, it's the difference between winning and losing. So it means everything. And I think about corporations and organizations at large, the degree to which employees have bought in and are dropping the oars in the water at the same time, and I know that's metaphorical, but the degree to which they are effective at doing that, in other words, we are on the same page, at the same cadence, charging toward the same goal, boy, do we start to get phenomenal performance and success.